Hello all, this is Akshay here, and today we'll be discussing if the MG Lira is really worth it or not. So over to the review. I have traveled twice in the Lira, and so based on my experiences, I'm reviewing the model here. So all my travels have been with the State Express Transport Corporation of Tamil Nadu, and so here are the exteriors. Coming to the exteriors, some may or may not like the shape of how the exteriors are designed. For me, I am neutral towards the exterior design. However, the usage of fiber components is really high as compared to that of Prakash Vega. So definitely there is a weight reduction, and also the height of the bus and the ground clearance is different compared to Vega. So if you can see, this definitely will have an impact on the ride quality of the bus. So we'll be over to discuss the further aspects. Generally speaking, the interiors are good, and they have done a good job in designing the upholstery of the bus. The electric lining is really of good quality. They have procured the electrical lining from General Electric, which is a really pristine electric company. Additionally, they have provided the air conditioning system for the crew cabin as well, as compared to the Prakash Vega variant that doesn't have the air conditioning for crew. Also, designing of parts and everything, upholstery and everything is fine as said. Also, as I said, the electric lining is also good, and the electrical system is of the bus is perfect. No problem about that. So, as you can see, this is a general front outlay of the bus. So if you can see the interiors, the coloring choice is good, and the material choice is also very good. The quality is fine without any problem. However, if I should say something, the flooring which you can see in the next picture would be very bland. Yeah, exactly as I told, the carpeting is absent. So due to the absence of a carpet, the bus looks totally bland, and that's the only shortcoming of the general outlay of the interiors. This Harita seat here is one strong brownie point for the Lira. Harita seats are really comfortable and more and with more quality as compared to any other seat maker. I really loved the seat comfort during my journey. It was totally awesome and I totally loved it. Also, the pushback is easy to use. However, as advantages the seats were, so disadvantages are the berths. So here we'll discuss the shortcomings of the berth portions. The holders and everything are fine, like lighting, phone holders and charging sockets. Two ports are provided. Phone holders, chargers with two ports, and lights are provided for the convenience of passengers in the berth, and they are also of good quality. However, coming to the biggest drawback of this Lira model, it is none but the body roll. I will explain deeply. And now coming to the hugest disadvantage, as said, it is none but the berth portion because they have the worst body roll ever. You would not imagine having a good sleep while traveling on the berths of Lira. You should not imagine having a restful journey in the berths of Lira. This is due to the fact that the height specifications and the central ground clearance specifications are different in Lira compared to Vega, making the center of gravity specification entirely different. And due to the center of gravity imbalance, the body roll is excess in Lira. So this is where Lira loses a strong point. And yes, like any other vehicle, this also has its own unique point. That's the AC vent. So over to the AC vents. You see here, you can, if you see here, you can find a knob that adjusts the AC vents. You have to adjust the knob so that the warm gear inside gets adjusted, and the cooling comes accordingly. If you want a light cooling, you can turn the knob to the least, or if you want no cooling, you can turn the knob accordingly. If you are tired and you need full cooling, you can turn the knob accordingly as well. And if you flip over, you will have, if you flip the vent over, you will have normal, like either full cooling or no cooling. That's also possible. So this is a good innovation by MG, and that's a really nice. And congrats to MG for this innovation. Yeah. So, MT Lira of the State Express Transport Corporation has been receiving too much promotion, and I would say it is not that worth the promotion, because the main aspect, which which is the sleeper berth, is really weak compared to Vega. Vega also has some body roll, but it won't disturb your sleep. If you are now in Lira, if you are disturbed from sleep, the sleep is gone. So, in spite of drawbacks, it also has many good points, like the AC vents, the seats, and the quality of interiors. However, the exteriors are not as strong as Vega. So, if you want to travel in Lira, please prefer the seats and not the berths. If you are ready for a roller coaster journey, you can prefer the berths. Otherwise, you won't need to. So, thank you for watching the video, and yeah, more videos would come.